Hello, YouTube land. This is my camcorder. What is that? Yeah. Insignia video test. Just in case you guys want to know. Here's what it's like inside. Ooh, there's my shift, man. Not really that great indoors, but you know, it'll do. It will do. Let's check what it's like outside. Huh. It's pretty good outside, actually. Just the fact that it takes a while to adjust. Oh yeah, it's supposed to snow in March. Awesome. Oh look, there's Jersey. Jersey, say hi to. Oh, you can't see. Jersey, look. Jersey, can you say hi to YouTube? You're gonna be like the fan favorite of YouTube. Okay, let's go inside. Goodbye, Jersey. Here's the TV test. I think you can plug it into the TV. Shit, yeah. Wizards of Waverly Place. That's like my favorite TV show of all time. That's not a good mirror reflection. Mirror test.